Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive into the world of machine learning with TensorFlow and Jupyter Notebooks. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. First, let's talk about TensorFlow and Jupyter Notebooks. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning library developed by Google that allows you to build and train models for various applications like image recognition, natural language processing, and more. Jupyter Notebook is an interactive web-based coding environment that makes it easy to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Together, they make an excellent toolkit for machine learning enthusiasts and professionals alike. To start using TensorFlow and Jupyter Notebooks, we'll need to install them. We'll do this using Python's package manager, pip. First, make sure you have Python installed on your computer. You can download Python from python.org. Now, let's open a terminal or command prompt and enter the following commands. These commands will install TensorFlow and JupyterLab, which is the next-generation web-based user interface for Project Jupyter. Now, let's launch JupyterLab by entering. Your default web browser should open up, displaying the JupyterLab interface. Now that we have JupyterLab up and running, let's create a new Jupyter Notebook. Click on the plus icon in the top left corner of the interface, and then click on Python 3 under the Notebook section. This will create a new notebook where we can start writing our TensorFlow code. First, let's import TensorFlow into our notebook. In the first cell, type. Then, press Shift plus Enter to run the cell. You should see no output, which means TensorFlow has been imported successfully. Next, we'll load and preprocess a dataset to use in our TensorFlow model. For this tutorial, we'll be using the popular MNIST dataset, which contains images of handwritten digits. We'll import the dataset, normalize it, and split it into training and testing sets. Type the following code in a new cell. Now, let's build a simple neural network using TensorFlow's Keras API. In a new cell, type. This creates a neural network with one hidden layer containing 128 neurons and an output layer with 10 neurons, one for each. Now that we've built our neural network, it's time to train it using our training dataset. In a new cell, type. This will train the model for 5 epochs. You'll see the training progress, loss, and accuracy displayed in the output. Once the training is complete, let's evaluate our model's performance on the test dataset. In another cell, type. This will display the test accuracy, giving us an idea of how well our model generalizes to new data. And that's it. You've now successfully created, trained, and evaluated a simple neural network using TensorFlow and Jupyter Notebooks. There's a lot more to explore in the world of machine learning, so keep experimenting and learning. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.